Are you wondering whether you saw a heron or a crane in the Harz Mountains? Let's explore how to tell them apart when observing nature in this beautiful region. The Harz Mountains in northern Germany are a perfect landscape for many water and meadow birds, making it a fantastic location for birdwatching. First, the gray heron, or Ardea cinerea. It stands about 90 to 100 centimeters tall, has long legs, gray and white plumage, and a distinct S-shaped neck. Next, the common crane, or grus. They are taller, reaching up to 130 centimeters, with a large wingspan and a characteristic red patch on their head. When comparing their silhouettes, remember the heron is generally smaller with an arched neck, while the crane is larger with a straighter neck and red head markings. The easiest way to identify them in flight is by their necks. The heron flies with its neck pulled back, while the crane keeps its neck extended. You can also tell them apart by their calls. The heron makes a rough crack sound, while the crane emits a loud, resonant clamor that carries over long distances. Where can you find the heron? Look for them in rivers, ponds, canals, and along the shores of lakes. Cranes, on the other hand, are typically found in meadows, agricultural lands, wetlands, and peat bogs. Thanks to successful conservation efforts, crane populations are rising, and the Harz region has become an important stopover on their migration routes. Cranes are also famous for their spectacular mating dances, which involve rhythmic jumping, wing extending, and loud, synchronized vocalizations. The heron is a true master of patience. You will often see them standing completely still for long periods before striking like lightning to catch their prey. Now it's your turn to test your knowledge. Based on their behavior and where they are seen, can you tell which is the heron and which is the crane? These birds hold deep cultural significance. In Japan, the crane is a symbol of fidelity and longevity, while in Chinese art, the heron represents patience and tranquility. To wrap up, if you see a bird in flight, just check the neck. Pulled back means it's a heron. Extended means it's a crane. Happy birdwatching in the Harz. If you would like to explore this topic further, here is a list of recommended resources in Polish. These include field guides and general information about bird species. For those interested in German language sources, this list provides authoritative references from organizations like NABU and specialized bird guides. If you prefer to research in English, these guides are excellent for bird identification and understanding the conservation efforts being made for these species. French speakers can consult these ornithological guides, which offer comprehensive details on the birds of Europe. Finally, for our Spanish-speaking viewers, here are some recommended field guides to help you identify European bird species in the wild. Thank you for watching this educational video about the herons and cranes of the Harz Mountains. We hope these references help you on your future birding trips. Remember to always observe wildlife responsibly. Keep a safe distance, use binoculars to avoid disturbing their natural behaviors, and enjoy the beauty of the Harz landscape. For more information, please visit local park authority websites or national conservation databases. Happy birdwatching!